Hey guys, so today we have beautiful pastries from LA Mukbang. Reminder that none of these videos belong to me, and you can follow all the creators in the video. You guys should totally subscribe and share my channel.
I was inspired by a girl on TikTok to try these desserts. Look at this. Look at the texture, everything. Are you guys getting this? Okay, here we go. First bite.
Oh, that's
Look at the inside. Look at the mango just dripping. It's insane. Taylor going in, hit it.
okay.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Wow, look at that. You can already see like the pistachio coming out a little bit. Oh. Yeah. Gosh, good.
Yeah.
Control your excitement. Big one. Oh
wow.
My God. Taylor's got the lemon. It's perfectly matching her outfit.
Yep.
Hit it. Whoa.
Whoa.
Oh my God.
Taylor.
Bro, it is all over the car. What do you rate it?
10 out of 10.
Finally, the Dubai chocolate cake. They give you like a little shovel for this. Oh my God. Oh shoot. Look at this. I definitely screwed it up. Here we go.
Is it like matcha-y?
Yeah.
I'm going in.
Taylor's been through a little food fight back here.
Nothing can stop me now. Wow. I love the crunch. I love a good nut.
We got some beautiful pastries from Tucha. These costed me $100. Let's see if they're worth the hype. Starting with their My Mango. These look so pretty. Oh my God. Look at the inside of that. This one has such a strong mango flavor. Taste some sort of hazelnut flavor in this. This one immediately gets a 10 out of 10. Let's try their Just Peachy. It literally has all the accurate dents of a peach. This one exploded in my mouth. This one's like really squishy. Kind of has like a jello texture inside. I'll give this one a 9 out of 10. Next we have their iconic Berry 3. This one's so pretty. The raspberry is so rich. I think this is pistachio and it tastes so good. So far this one's my favorite. I'm going to give this one a 10 out of 10. Next we have the citron. I cannot get over how detailed these are. Whoa. It's very strong in the lemon flavor. I'm not the biggest fan of lemon, so I'm going to give this one an 8 out of 10, but it's still amazing. Lastly, we have this Dubai matcha dream cake. Look at all that matcha. This one is perfectly strong in the matcha flavor, and it's so creamy. I'm also tasting some pistachio in the bottom. Alright, so the verdict. Are these worth $100? Honestly, I'm gonna say yes. Tasting these pastries is not an average experience. They're so detailed and they taste well crafted. Alrighty guys, I will see you in the next video.
Realistic dessert mukbang. These might be the prettiest pastries I've ever seen. First up is mango. Those colors look insane. There's a bit of a light whipped cream, real mango chunks, a cookie shortbread thin layer at the bottom. Next we have a lemon. This is really good. There's the same whipped cream from the mango. In the middle is like a lemon paste or compote. Next up is this beautiful strawberry. There's even a little stem right here. I even think there's like a jelly layer on the outside. There's a bit of strawberry jam in the center. Not gonna lie, the sesame seeds are kind of throwing me off. Next is this beautiful tulip. I'm not really sure what this flavor will be. There's a bit of white cake in there. It tastes like a berry jam in between. Last but not least, they're hazelnut. It looks like there's 2 shells on this one. It's very light, chocolatey, and not too much of that hazelnut flavor. Check out the caption for the name of the bakery that I went to here in the Bay Area. Bye, you guys.
We're still here. Let's celebrate. Today I have desserts from Aurora Shimmering Delicacies in LA. First we have their mousse. This is double chocolate with caramel, banana coulis, and a chocolate fondant sponge. The chocolate shell tastes like bananas as well. I thought it was just gonna be white chocolate. There is a lot of the coulis and it tastes like perfectly ripe bananas. The mousse is fluffy and delicate. There's a little touch of speculoos. This is fantastic. 10 out of 10. This next pastry is simply called Lemon County. Lemon exploded more than my champagne bottle. The majority of the filling on this one is a very light, fluffy whipped cream. All of the bright, tart lemon flavor was coming from that liquid that spilled out. The flavors are lovely, but personally, I don't think the Meyer Lemon Coulis should be liquid. Still an 8 out of 10. This next treat is called Mango Madness. Well, this is a moist vanilla sponge cake with a mango coulis and a mango gelée on top. The hazelnut element was very unexpected, but it really works. Exceptional. 10. Last, we have their iconic orangeumum. This is orange jellied coulis and mousse, vanilla cake with orange blossom water, crispy crepe with orange rind, and rice pudding. Wow. It's starting to fall apart. The attention to detail is incredible. It's beautiful and it tastes exactly like orange sherbet. The texture of the mousse is a bit dense, I think from being previously frozen, and the orange rind jelly in the center is quite bitter. 7 out of 10.
These look so pretty. We went to Royal Roastery and we picked up some new items. I'm so excited to try these. We're gonna do the mango first. That's the one I'm most excited about. Look how pretty. So this is the mango. Cheers. This one has mango filling inside. The outside layer is like white chocolate. This one's really good. Next one is also mango. I think this one is the ice cream one though. This one got a little melted, but it has mango chunks inside. It's really good. Next one is a strawberry one. So pretty. Cheers. There's something inside. It's like cake filling and some jam on it. Oh, this one's good. It's like strawberry shortcake. That one's really good. Okay, this one is huge. I have no idea what it is. I think it might be strawberry or I'm thinking raspberry. This also has a really nice filling inside. Last but not least, I have the lemon one. I tried this flavor before and I really liked it. It's very light and airy and it literally looks like a lemon. This one has filling. I feel like the last one I had didn't have any filling. It has actual lemons in it, but it's not overpowering at all. This looks like a mess, but I'm gonna eat it all. It's so hard to rate them because I really enjoyed every one of them. My favorite would have to be the lemon and the mango. Highly recommend.
I'm in LA right now, so I had to try the Aurora. They're the viral cakes that are shaped like fruits. So this is what they look like. Here's the banana one, raspberry. This is the orange. That's just the little lemon one. The smaller ones first. So we'll start with the lemon one. Let's try it. There's definitely like mousse in there. It's falling apart. in like a lemon jello sort of thing. Got the banana one. It's chocolate. It's like chocolatey banana. Going for the bigger ones here. Let's do the raspberry first. You got different mousses in there. I think there's a cake in it as well. I just keep biting into the mousse. A gigantic orange. All right. This one might be my favorite. It's like almost like an orange sherbet kind of. I also love the outside on all of these.
I finally got my hands on the fruit pastries. I drove 2 hours and spent $80. Let's see if these are worth the hype. Which one should I pick first? Let's start with this one. Oh my god. There's like chocolate mousse and banana in there. I love this. Let's try this huge orange. Look at that. This tastes amazing. This raspberry one is huge. So chocolatey. There's like chocolate mousse, brownie, and some sort of cream in the middle. Let's try their lemon. So creamy. I think the banana is my favorite. I just need one more bite. Maybe 2 more bites. This was absolutely worth it. Aurora LA knows how to make some good pastries. Alrighty guys, I'll see you in the next video.
I spent $70 on the most beautiful pastries in New York City. This is the apple pastry. This is the pear pastry. This is the cloud pastry. This is the orange pastry.
First, I'm gonna start off with the mushroom dessert.
The first dessert fell apart, but let's see how it tastes.
Don't tell me this is a finesse now.
It has like a mousse cream cheese texture, and it has like a strawberry jam inside. It's cool, but it tastes like more on the healthy side. Like a 6.5 out of 10. Like, I'll eat it, but it's not great. Is this edible? Let's see. This is a real plant. That's crazy. They got like an orange slushy inside. It tastes like an orange, but it tastes dialed down, you know? It doesn't have that strong citrus taste. I'll eat it, but I prefer regular orange over this. Next is the pear.
I like how it's tart with a pear compote inside.
It has like a vanilla cream mousse on the outside. It tastes too light and bland, you know? I'll eat it though. 6.9 out of 10. Not bad.
For $13, I expect more.
Again, it has a vanilla cream mousse on the exterior. 6.5. It got a little bounce to it.
It's giving Snickers, but lighter. Way lighter.
6 out of 10. This is their cream cheese basque. This was like a calm $13. Oh, that's not edible.
I'm bugging. I thought this was all cheesecake. I'm over here chewing on the wrapper.
Yeah, this is mid. 5.5 out of 10. Anyway, try it out and let me know what you think. More!
Beautiful pastries. Look at the variety we have today so much. Start with the orange. Okay. This just tastes like, you know, the pulp in orange juice? Not bad. But it's a little like missing. Something's missing. Next we have the mango. Both of them, they're very creamy, almost like buttery.
Trying the most beautiful desserts in LA.
This one is devil fruit. This one is banana. We got raspberry. Now we have orange. The raspberry was my favorite, but they're all worth getting.
Trying the most beautiful pastries in LA. Cheers, guys.
Y'all out here making this look so good, you got a diva coming out of TikTok retirement. These are desserts from a place called Tucha that's going viral right now. This is called the... maybe I should stay in retirement. This is called their Berry 3. Oh, that crack. Okay. This is so not aesthetic. Strawberry... what is it called? Coulis in the middle. Wrote it down on a napkin what these things are. We got a pistachio center. Oh my god, I need to get to this pistachio center. Hold on. Okay, I don't like this design because how the f am I supposed to... I don't like that it's just like a ball. Okay, hold on. I think the funniest part of this is I started this video being like, I'm gonna start being a food reviewer. Girl, you should not. I'm not gonna front. I just ate the entire pistachio ball in that one bite. But the pistachio flavor is so rich. Very light and fluffy raspberry mousse, strawberry jelly thing, and then there's that pistachio center, which is divine, but it should be like throughout, like a softer mousse type beat, you know? So light and not too sweet. 8. Next, this is called My Mango. It does feel pretty frozen. I don't know if I was supposed to let it thaw. Definitely should have let it thaw because the fresh mango in the middle is still frozen. The outside is a tropical chocolate shell. It just tastes like chocolate. And this is like a mango creme fraiche. The mango flavor is not that strong. This, I think, is supposed to be like a softened mango, but are you hoes lying? Because this is not that good. I would rate this like a 5. These two together were $33, so I really wanted to try other things, but like, baby girl, I'm in a rock band in this economy. Maybe I'll try it another time.
Trying beautiful pastries in Chicago. First we have here is a lemon tart. It has lemon cream and lemon and almond sponge. And you want this? I say, I love lemon flavor, so I love this. Super creamy and rich, nice crunch in the bottom. Next we have here is the Alcoa, the dark chocolate mousse with chocolate almond sponge. It's like chocolate ice cream in a way. FYI, everything cost me $45, so far it's worth it. How do you say?
G-A-T-E-A-U-X.
Next we have like yacht. This is good. Next we have here is the Bahia. It has a rich almond and coconut base with white passion and chocolate glaze. Mmm. It really tastes like ice cream. Oh wow. Lastly, we have the opera cake. Chocolate ganache with coffee mousse with almond sponge. Mmm. It reminds me of tiramisu, but not really.
Beautiful cakes. Oh my god, I've always wanted to try these. Try this really pretty purple one first. I was expecting a crunch, but oh my god, so good. Mmm. So good. This flavor is passion fruit, cherry, and pineapple. Oh my god. There's something in the bottom here too. Oh my god, it's like a chocolate cake. This is one of the best little dessert cakes I've ever had. It's not even funny. That is a 10 out of 10. Next is a strawberry pistachio. Wow. Okay. I love the tiny cake inside. The pistachio is not too sweet at all. Perfect balance. Mmm. So good. So we have the cocoa pandan. Mmm. Coconut flavor is really strong. Mmm.
Trying the most beautiful desserts in LA. Here we got this rosé raspberry. Wow, not only it's beautiful, it also tastes amazing. And I love the texture, and the chocolate mousse is perfect. Right here, it's called the lemon cunty. Am I supposed to eat this? But this, it might be my favorite, but it's not like a too strong lemon flavor. But I do like it. Here I got the orange shimmy. I thought it's gonna be thick, but this cream is like very like thin, but like airy. And you have to eat all this fast because the guys say it's gonna like melt or something. I don't know what that means. And I wish all these leaves were edible. I'm still gonna eat it. This one's called the Miss Cherry World. And that's pistachio cream. It's giving like a Dubai chocolate vibe. This one obviously is called the banana, but on the menu it's called the eclair. Tastes just like a banana. And for some reason, I thought it was gonna taste chocolate, but I don't taste any chocolate that much. Maybe like a hint of chocolate.
$140 worth of trompe d'oeil from Mon Sucré Gourmand in Brossard. Let's check it out. The raspberry trompe d'oeil.
It's bleeding.
Oh, it just gave birth. That was somewhat incredible.
It's very liquidy inside, so it's very messy, but the cremage and the white chocolate entourage.
It was okay. It was very mild. We love pistachio. Oh, so far
there's a nice crunch to it inside too, like the inside, the core.
On the bottom layer. This is amazing.
8.5.
I give it a solid 9.1 out of 10. This is right down my alley. Mango trompe d'oeil. We had this at Euphoria. Let's see if it's better. Not a big fan of it. Prefer the one from Euphoria. I don't have much to say. Solid 5 out of 10. The lemon.
So the lemon mousse inside, very light, nothing too prominent, nothing too dominant.
It tastes like lemon Greek yogurt. This lemon trompe d'oeil is a solid 6 out of 10. So we got the noisette. Very, very prominent on the hazelnut. We got like different layers of hazelnut. I love when there's a bit of crunch texture. For us, it's a solid 8 out of 10. We got the caboose de cacao.
It looks like an alien head.
Oh.
I got a little crisp inside, but like it's overpowering with the chocolate mousse. It's not my thing.
The cocoa pot is a solid 5 out of 10. Coffee bean trompe d'oeil. Oh. Powder on top fucks me up. There's not much taste going on. 4.5 out of 10. We both think that the pistachio trompe d'oeil is the best here.
A lot of these were underwhelming, not gonna lie.
Today we're gonna be trying some beautiful pastries in LA. First up, let's try the orange.
That crunch though.
It tastes like a tangerine.
She's delicious.
Oh, I think there's some cake in there.
I don't even know what is in here, but it is so good.
I can see why there's a line out the door.
Next we have the banana. Normally I am not a banana stan, but I stand behind this banana. Yeah.
Very moussey, very creamy, very chocolatey.
It's so good.
Which one's real and which one's cake? Let's see if I can one bite this.
That was amazing.
Next, we have the strawberry tart.
24
oh
karat
my god,
gold on
is
top.
that gold?
Some you get at Air One.
Look at that bite. This is literally every strawberry lover's dream.
This one looked like a mini forest.
Like
Tastes like a fudge, honestly.
It's super light, super fluffy. Finally, we have the raspberry chocolate cake. Cheers, guys. This is the one. It's so raspberry-y. I don't even have words for it. So I'm gonna take the rest of these.
But what about that diet?
Man, forget that diet.
Trying desserts from Tucha. Starting with berry. It's really frozen. I'm trying to get the pistachio in the middle, but it's too frozen. Yeah, the texture of the mousse is really interesting. Yeah, the texture of the mousse is throwing me off a bit, but the flavor is really good. Very gelatinous. Strawberry chocolate on the outside, raspberry mousse, and then pistachio praline in the middle. I'd give this one a 7.5 out of 10. Next, we have citron. Oh, that's good. Detail is so good. Very citrusy, not too sweet. It's like a sweet citrus lemon flavor. 9 out of 10. Next we have my mango. I love the fresh mango inside. The hazelnut praline is a really nice touch. Details are just so good. .5 out of 10. Honestly, for the price, I probably wouldn't go back. I'm not a huge fan of like the texture. I expected more of like a mousse cake like texture. This was very jello. I went around at 1:30 on a Tuesday. They do open up at 11:30 and they were already sold out of the chocolate one and the Dubai matcha chocolate cake. The flavors were really well executed, but I wasn't a big fan of the texture. For the price, I believe they could be done better, but still really good to try at least once.
Another dessert mukbang. These are from Aurora Shimmering Delicacies. Jane Mukbang put us all on. Thank you, Jane. This one is a berry pastry. It didn't have a label on it, so I don't know what's in it, but this is the one I really want to try. So, It's good. It's like a chocolate mousse, but it's good though. This is a lavender cake with lavender cream inside and like silver notes on top. It tastes purple. This is called an invasion with Tahiti and vanilla beans inside. It's good. This is a Biscoff cheesecake, and Biscoff is literally my favorite, so let's see. Hey, take this off. This is a chocolate cake with pistachio cream and a cherry on top. It kind of reminds me of a game I used to play or something. I don't know how to explain it. It was good. This was good. 10 out of 10. I will recommend. Go get y'all some Aura. Go get Aura. Go get